Hi, this is Shreekant Shetty. This is my solo show in Gulbarga, Yambilo Art Gallery at present going on apart from 3 days. And here is my works. These are all done by in my previous when I was in college. So, and this is called Blue Thoughts. So here is my self-expression I was shown in my paintings. And here is one more painting is here. This is called Food God, but I'm untitled. Yeah, some people are calling it they only named it Food God. So this is the oil color, and this one is acrylic and mixed media. Actually, I'm representing two series of works here. One is animal form like animals are using, and one more is my self-expression works are here. Here it's a goods strain. Here is a cow and hen and fish, buffalo and goat, bee, and one more is pig, and last goods. And here I'm showing a skeleton of holding a green lamp. Green lamp means it's going on. The train is not stopping, so it's symbolize something like anything you can imagine. Skeleton means what you know, the icon of symbolism and all thing. Here you can see the two words. One is a cow factory, another is a going in a negative thoughts. Here is this is called a cow factory. Here I shown some machines in the cow stomach. And upper on that I used that pattern is like a world map. It means every animals I am seeing like farm animals, like machines. We are made like a machine factory type of using the animals day to day. How I am seeing the animals, so I made it on a canvas. Yeah, here is another work. It is called Negative Thoughts. It's made on 4x5 and acrylic on canvas. I used some glass mark, white glass mark and black glass mark in this work. Yeah, here is another work. It is called a Golden Group. These are my earlier works, I mean beginning works, this one and this one. After this I was started the animal form and all these paintings. Like animal forms of series of works, I started beginning from this work. Here you can see the sugarcane machines. First imagine it's I thought it's a cow had some kind of machine inside, like that can eat grass something and that will give us a milk. So this is a kind of childishness of imagination and all thing I can say. Here it's another work. It's called green red train on a green land. It is also same work as it is on that color one. It's made in a monochromatic. Here it is a oil color painting. I am showing only photograph. I don't have a present to display here. 5x4 feet work on oil color on canvas. It's called Animal Factory. Here it is a old series work. It's called Waiting in a Circle. Here is a red factory on Greenland. I'm made on a canvas. It's a 3x2 size. About this is today's. It's a little controversial, so I want to describe this work. Here I shown the red color animals, and below you can see the green color of land, and another is a black color of fog and all smoke and clouds. So I'm here showing a cow factory. So I shown here as a artist what I'm thinking about animals. So making a only cow, it's not a cow, right? So we are an artist here, so we have to show something about that cow in a which manner. As a thinker of an artist, we have to show something about that behind how I feel about the cow. If instantly I saw the cow in a street or in a factory or somewhere, so it matters to us I feel something about the cow or any animal, like farm animal. I'm not a thinker about like a society to make a develop and all things. I'm an artist to make a visual pictures and all things. So I'm thankful to government of Karnataka, Department of Kannada and Culture. Thank you for providing financial support, and thank you for the MB Lohar Art Gallery. So, who's providing me this gallery? Thanks for Sunil Lohar, and thank you for Sai Nath Lohar sir. Thank you one and all.
Please subscribe RTV Karnataka, Karnataka's first art news channel.